Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Bu Dewi, for sharing.
Oke.
Yeah, actually, I also feel excited because you have such a very exciting holiday. Ah, let me
Thank
move
you.
on to Pak Zardan, Ayubi. So, how about you? What do you feel? What happened?
I feel very happy because I can meet my relatives yes, anak
Relatives.
keluarga.
Yeah, relatives. Oh,
Gitu.
okay. And then,
Hmm,
what are the activities that you loved in family gathering?
Apa yang sampean senangi waktu perkumpulan keluarga
Yeah,
itu?
activity. When we're talking about
Iya, masnya
activity, is it like
aktivitas yang
the
ngapain?
eating together or having random conversation, talking about jobs, class? Which one that you
hmm,
love the most?
I like makan besar big meal sih, Miss.
Yeah, okay. Like having apa ya? Having an eating party.
Oh,
Yeah.
eating party.
Okay. Oh, very good. So, can you tell me what is the menu that you think is
Beef,
delicious and recommended?
beef,
Beef.
chicken,
Is it rendang? No, opor,
rendang, opor,
rendang,
terus rawon, rawon, Miss.
rawon. Oh, it sounds so mouth watering ya, sangat menggiurkan gitu. Mouth watering means apa ya, yang sampai ngiler-ngiler Bapak Ibu ya. Oke. So who cook it for you? Who is the cook? Siapa
Uh,
yang bagian masak? Do
my
you
mom, my
Your
mother.
mom? Okay, so
Yes.
your mom is a great cook.
Yes,
Is
Miss.
it? Okay, oh. I think that's a very plus point for you. Yeah? Okay. Sorry, where is your hometown once again? Where are you from?
Dampit, Miss.
Dampit, Lamongan. Bukan ya?
Eh, bukan, Miss.
Kalimantan.
Dampit.
No?
Malang,
Malsel,
Malang
Oh,
Malang
oh
itu
Selatan.
Malang. Oh ya, Malang, Malang. Right.
the
Malang
part of
Selatan.
Malang.
Oh, you're still part of Malang, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, but I think it's in the rural area if I'm not mistaken, yeah. So that's why I barely heard about Dampit. Okay, okay. It's a very good news, yeah, because you enjoy the holiday then. Because when you enjoy the holiday, which means that you are ready to have the class today. Okay, thank you so much, Pak Zardan
Yes,
Ayubi.
Miss.
Okay, let me move on to Pak Faisal. Okay, how about you, Pak Faisal? Can you share your feeling and pick one of the most memory that you love?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine and happy. And
Fine?
my trip to Banyuwangi, Situbondo was very exciting.
Okay, oh, so what is...
Besides,
So what are the activities that you do during the trip?
yeah, besides visiting my relatives, I also got reunion with my friends from senior high school.
Senior high school. Oh.
Uh,
And then?
30, 30, 30 years, 30 years.
Wow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you must be made a very old friend. Yeah?
Yes,
That's
yeah,
your
right.
old friends, right?
Yes, right. Mhm.
Is it friends from what is that? High school?
Madrasah Aliyah Negeri, Islamic
Oh,
Senior School
Islamic. Okay, Islamic Junior
in
High
Banyuwangi.
Schools, ya, SMP berarti ya. Okay, okay. So can you mention like, actually, I'm really curious about the topic that you have during the conversation with your old friends.
Yeah.
Can you
Uh,
mention what topic that you usually have when you talk with your old friend?
yeah. My friends talk about many things. and I don't remember what they told. What they told. I don't know
Okay.
why remember everything in my in when we were in senior high school, and only a little I can remember.
That's such a brilliant answer, yeah, for
Yeah, yeah.
not to explaining about everything. Yeah, but thank you so much for sharing, Pak Faisal,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
seems like
you.
you also have a very exciting
Yeah.
memories during
Thank
vacation.
you. Welcome.
Yeah. All right, let me move on to the next students. We have Bu Amar here. So, how are you, Bu Amar, and how do you feel?
I'm sorry for being late this noon to
Yeah, that's
joining your
fine.
class. It's because I just wake up from nap.
Oh my God, that sounds so good though.
Sorry.
Enak banget ya, tidur siang. Oke, so, and then, can you tell me about your vacation?
Okay, so I will share my experience.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I'm so enjoying my holiday. It's because I meet with so many people. I going to the some place. It's like Madura, Gempol, and then Trawas also. And I I spend with my relatives like Mr. Faisal, more closer with my how we tell ponakan Miss.
Oh, okay. Is it Pak Faisal that we know? I mean, is this Pak Faisal? Do you mean?
Yes, Mr. Faisal also say like me that the moment make us more closer with our relatives.
Oh, okay.
Because
Okay. Wait a second. What is your relationship with Pak Faisal? How can you meet
oh
him?
no, we don't have any relation. We don't have
I mean, okay,
relation, but
I think you are the old friend, yeah, that Pak Faisal talked about earlier
no,
during
I just
during the
feel,
reunion. Yeah, no, it's not, yeah.
feel the same feeling with Mr. Faisal.
Oh, the same feeling. Okay.
Um,
Sorry, I get misunderstanding. Okay. And then?
and then uh, I apa ya, the most experimental is the most memorable maybe when I going to the Trawas because it's my first time go to
Oh,
Trawas nih. And
okay. So what are
I'm
you
also
doing
Madura
there?
sih.
Yeah?
Yes, miss, please. Yes, please.
What are you doing there in Trawas?
I just I just take a picture in the middle night with the city light
Oh,
in
okay.
the night.
Yeah. That must be so beautiful. Yeah, I can
Yes, it's
imagine.
very beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Bu
Thank
Amar, for sharing.
you.
Yeah, actually, I wonder why all of your English skills are really, like improving after long vacation. Do you meet your friend and then talking English? Because like,
Yes, sometimes
yeah,
English
like
when
not
we
only Bu
talk with
Amar,
our
yeah, like everyone here, in my opinion, has been more fluent in English. Yeah, compared to the previous meeting that we have. Maybe because you are talking about something that you love during vacation, yeah? Okay, thank you so much. Let me move on to uh, Pak Muhammad Raya Agung. Namanya kok beda ya? Biasanya Muhammad Raya Agung namanya.
Enggak, yes, Miss. Namanya kalau di absen Agung aja.
Oh iya betul. Pantesan saya melihatnya kok sepertinya bukan ini namanya ya. Ya, but is it your real name Muhammad Raya Agung?
No, ya, yang asli itu Agung aja.
Oh, yang
KTP-nya
asli
Agung.
Agung.
Tapi kalau saya
Oh,
lebih senang Agung Muhammad Raya.
oke, Raya
Soalnya panjang.
Agung. Yeah, yeah. So, can you share about your feeling and what you do during vacation, Pak Agung?
Yes, Miss.
Ya.
Oke.
Yes, Miss. Gimana, Miss?
Okay, can you tell me your experience, pengalaman when you are in your long vacation during 8 selama libur Lebaran ngapain aja?
Oh
So
yes.
can you share?
I go to Bogor with
Wow,
my wife
okay.
and child to visit my present house, my parent house, ke rumah orang tua. Tuh.
Okay. Oh, wait a second. My internet connection is not stable ya karena agak echoing. Okay, so I'm so sorry. You went to Bogor and then you meet, whom do you meet there? Bertemu siapa di sana?
My apa parents, orang tua ya.
Oh, your
Bertemu
parents,
orang tua.
ya.
Yes, my parents.
Okay. Oh, so what do you feel, Pak Agung? What do you feel?
Apa ya?
Do you miss him already? Do
Artinya
you
apa,
miss them
Miss?
already? Sudah kangen nggak nih sekarang sama orang
Kenapa?
tuanya?
Oh,
Sudah kangen?
sudah di Malang sekarang.
Sudah di Malang. Tapi
Sudah.
udah selesai
Yeah.
kangennya ya? Atau sudah kangen? Padahal baru berapa minggu?
Ya, sudah kangen lagi. Seminggu di sana,
Oke.
1 pekan ya.
I will tell you
Oke.
something, Miss,
How, how
about Mr.
how do you
Raya
say it
Agung.
in English? Gimana cara ngomong kalau oh saya sudah kangen lagi Miss sama orang tua saya. How do you say it in English? Ada yang tahu, Bapak Ibu? I miss
I miss
them
them.
already. I miss them already. Saya sudah kangen Miss, gitu kan? Padahal baru berapa minggu. Ya, it's been 2 weeks and I miss them already. Gitu. Jadi bisa pakai already kalau sudah, gitu ya. Kalau kalau misal saya sudah makan, I have eaten already. Gitu. Saya sudah menyelesaikan kelas. I have completed the class already. Jadi teman-teman bisa pakai already ketika apa ya, menjelaskan bahwa sesuatu sudah dilakukan. Gitu. Oke, thank you so much, Pak Agung. Alright, let me move on to Pak Nurali Hasan. Oke, how are you, Bapak? Can you turn on your mic? Ya, it's still muted, Bapak. Masih mati mic-nya, bisa dihidupkan dulu.
Lupa belum di unmute ya Pak. Unmute Pak.
Iya.
Iya masih unmute Pak. Still unmute.
Ya, still
Ah,
unmute. Kok nggak bisa ya katanya ya? Gimana ya? Kenapa Bapak Ibu? Coba. Hmm.
Biasanya bisa dan always on mic loh, Mr. Nur Ali ini,
are
Miss.
you online on handphone Pak?
Nah, itu.
Ah,
Nah, oke.
Oh,
Oke. So, how are you, Bapak? And what do you feel?
Ya, nggak jelas, Miss.
Kenapa? Kenapa, Bapak?
Ya, apa pertanyaannya, Miss? Ulang.
Oh, okay. How are you right now? Okay, the very first question, how are you?
How are you?
Uh-uh.
Miss, maaf, nggak jelas.
Oke, bagaimana kabarnya hari ini? Ya, how are you today?
Ya, alhamdulillah baik, fine.
Okay,
Alhamdulillah.
fine. Okay, and then how about your feeling after Lebaran or after Eight? What do you
Oh,
feel after Eight?
I went from village to village. I
Mm-hmm.
went from village to village to visit relative, saudara-saudara ya.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
There was something even more memorable. Friend kumpul di rumah teman di rumah.
Oh ya, ya, ya. Oh,
Dan
okay. Mm-hmm.
lagi yang paling mengesankannya itu there was something even more memorable.
What is that?
Friend Katam kumpul di rumah.
Oh, oke. Jadi
Oh,
ini does it mean you also meet Bu Wahyu?
yes,
Yes.
we are visited Mr. Nur Ali
Oh
house.
my God, that's so.
Before this
Wah,
class.
I think you should invite me, Bapak Ibu. Ya, saya ketinggalan.
We
Oh my
invite you
God.
later.
Iya, harusnya saya bisa nih. Ya. Oke, so what kind of food that you provide to your friends? Dijamu apa Bapak Ibu di rumahnya Pak Nurali Hasan?
Meatball.
Very special menu,
Meatball.
Miss. You know,
Meatball.
Meatball.
at the first time
Meatball.
the door was open with meatball,
Oh my
Meatball.
God.
and in the middle
And
Rice
biryani.
we already eat
tuh.
Rice.
Bakso.
Rice biryani.
Kalau itu bakso ya?
rice biryani with cow meat and chicken.
Oh,
And
chicken.
cow.
In the last part we also eat ice cream,
Oh, wah,
some
sangat lengkap
snack.
ya berarti.
Pelanggaran nggak dapat es krim
Very
loh.
complete.
Iya, ada yang nggak hadir nggak di sini? Is there anyone of you who doesn't attend to the gathering?
No, Miss, hadir semua.
Oh,
Hadir
all of
semua.
us always attend
Oh
at
my
Mr.
God.
Nur Ali house.
Oke, all of you ya. Kalau all of us berarti saya juga ikut harusnya. Tapi kan saya nggak diajak.
All
Ya,
of us,
oh, oke. Wow,
except you.
oke.
So sorry.
Yes, that's why
Iya,
we
iya.
are more spirit, more spirit,
Oke, you are
more
more
better than
motivated.
before.
Iya, you
More
are motivated than
motivated, you know.
before. Ya.
It's because
Oh, oke.
Miss Wahyu tell us that our English must be upgrade. Our
Oke.
English to be upgrade
Mhm. So
in
during
the class.
in the gathering conducted in Pak Nurali Hasan's home, do you speak English, guys, there? What kind of language that you use? Is it
Oh,
Arabic,
uh,
Javanese,
Indonesian and Japanese
Indonesian, and
speakers.
Javanese? So,
Little
oh,
bit,
that,
little bit
yeah,
English, Miss.
yeah, I
Little
think
bit.
that's the reason. That's the reason why you don't invite me because I will ask you, guys, English please, gitu ya. Jadi mungkin karena itu saya nggak diajak, karena kalau diajak nanti di tengah-tengah English please, gitu ya.
Are you going home for are you going home for the holiday this year, Miss?
Oh yeah, actually I have two hometown, right? Like
Uh-huh.
one, I have two weeks free. So
Oh.
for the very first week, I spent it in Bawean Island, at the
Oh,
mom.
Bawean.
Yeah, I'm
I
from
love the
Bawean.
kerupuknya. I
So
love the
far.
kerupuk.
Oh, yeah. So that's my mom's hometown. And then for the second week, I spent my vacation in Kediri. Yeah, Kediri is my
Mm-hmm.
dad's hometown. So yes, I have two hometown actually. So yeah, it's really exhausting, yeah. Like, oh my God, why I need to have two big families? That's really exhausting to meet a lot of people.
Same with me.
Yeah. But still, like during Eid or during Lebaran as a grown up, sebagai
Mhm.
seseorang yang sudah dewasa, we need to give THR, right, to our.
Mm.
That's
Mhm.
actually a little bit burden ya, Bapak Ibu. Jadi agak sedikit memberatkan ya, karena makin banyak ponakannya, makin banyak THR-nya gini 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 ya. Lah, I hope I was a kid so I can get a
Nah.
lot of THR.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Pak Nuruli Hasan ya. You look so fresh today ya. Do you get new haircut today?
Eh,
Ad-
Rambut
Mm-mm.
baru nggak, Pak? Mari
Rambut
potong
baru?
rambut apa? Habis potong
oh,
rambut apa?
yes.
Iya. Yeah, I noticed that ya. Oh, you look so fresh with your new haircut ya. Iya, oke. Thank you so much. Ya, let me move on to Lita Krismawati. Bu Lita Krismawati, are you there?
I there,
Alright.
Miss.
Okay, hello. So, how are you, Ibu? And what do you feel?
I'm fine, Miss. Alhamdulillah.
Fine, Miss. Alhamdulillah.
Okay. And okay, so can you mention one of the most memorable moment during Eid or Lebaran? Can you choose one memories that you think that's the most memorable one?
I think I memorable
Mhm, mhm.
selama Lebaran.
Yes, yes.
Ngomongin
During
because
Lebaran,
during Lebaran because
Mhm.
my family sick, all sick, semuanya sakit
Okay.
gitu.
Okay. So, what kind of disease did they have? Is it flu? No?
Eh, just kecapean bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih?
Oh, okay. Exhausted.
Yes, my
Exhausted ya.
husband,
Hmm.
my sons. So,
How about you?
we just visited my family in Malang, just looking for the kuliner. Ya, hanya
Yeah,
itu.
but iya, bukan hanya itu ya. Actually, that's more than enough. As you know that Malang always have a lot of choices when we are talking about food. Ya kan? Sejak saya pindah ke Malang, Bapak Ibu, saya merasa Malang itu kayak enak semua gitu. Kayak kita bisa pilih random food di jalan itu semuanya enak. Karena itu saya di Malang langsung mengembang, Bapak Ibu ya. Saya 5 tahun di Surabaya, itu kayak masih kurus-kurus aja gitu. Ini baru berapa tahun di Malang langsung mengembang karena semua makanannya itu enak. Kayak ya udah, just pick one random food and it's guaranteed that need to be, like very delicious.
Miss,
Okay.
wait, hold on, Miss, hold on.
Ya.
Miss, beside that, in during Eid or during Lebaran, the most iconic is when we eat food like opor and ketupat. Like, I mean,
Okay,
uh,
ya. You
I
just
think
you just
all of
remember
us,
it. Mhm.
yes, think all of us Indonesian people when eat was eating ketupat, lontong sayur, and opor.
Ya. Ya. I think that's the most iconic one. Ya.
My favorite food in Malang is rawon.
Rawon. Wow.
Terus saya tidak menemukan bahasa Inggrisnya gimana ya? Saya tidak
I
menemukan
couldn't,
di Tangerang.
I couldn't find rawon in Tangerang. I
I
couldn't
couldn't find
find rawon
in
in
Tangerang or
Tangerang.
Jakarta
Oh ya? Oh ya, Bapak Ibu?
because
Kayaknya.
rawonnya
Hmm.
berbeda.
Oh,
Rawonnya
okay.
berbeda.
The taste of the different taste.
Oh, okay. So, what make it different?
Yes.
Is it
Keluak
more sweet?
make the rawon taste different, Miss.
What's that?
Keluak.
What's
You know,
keluak? What's
Keluak is
keluak?
the
Is
black.
it
The part
okay?
of recipe
Oh,
of rawon.
Condiment.
No,
okay.
condiment. The part
Is
of
it this one?
recipe of rawon.
Ini.
Yang warna
Which one
hitam,
is it?
bulat.
Yeah, this one.
Ya, keluar.
I will tell you the different, Miss. So some city make this keluak itu different takaran,
Different portion,
Hotel.
ya? Ya, oke.
Different
Oke.
portion. Make legitnya beda.
Oh, oke. Iya.
In
Ya,
Malang is
actually, this is new ya for hearing keluak because I'm not really a good cook, so this is my very first time knowing that there is something called keluak.
Hey, Miss, do you know that rawon is the most delicious soup in the world?
Yeah, I know that. I know that. That's
Hmm.
actually like apa ya? There are a lot of articles saying about it.
Han
Okay,
Soljang very love rawon, Miss Han Soljang.
Han Soljang. Oh, do you follow Han Soljang as well?
Yes, a
Oh,
little bit, because he
okay.
always tell us that he very love with rawon.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Let me move back to Bulita. Okay, how about Bulita? Okay, so is that all, Bulita, or do you want to say something more about your vacation?
No, Miss.
No, okay, that's
Cukup.
enough, yeah. How about right now? Have you recovered already, or are you still feeling not well?
Alhamdulillah, I more better.
Oke, more better itu double, teman-teman. Jadi better itu artinya sudah more. Jadi you can say I'm feeling better.
Oh gitu.
Iya, jadi saya merasa lebih baik. Ya,
I-
better itu sudah artinya lebih baik. You can say I'm feeling better. Oke, alright. Thank you so much, Bulita.
Better.
Ya,
Okay,
have
Miss.
you recovered already? Have you recovered soon? Okay, let me check Bu Nadila Puspita, the last one. Okay, are you there, Bu Nadila?
Bu Nadila, she is at the hospital, Miss.
Oh, okay. What's wrong? Is she hospitalized?
Yes.
No,
Oh, okay.
no,
Oh,
hospitalized, Miss.
Hospitalized. Hospitalized mean
Dirawat,
dia sakit, dirawat. Ya.
no, no,
dirawat.
no, no.
Oh,
Oh,
oke.
bagus.
Nunggu,
Ya, jadi
nunggu.
oh, oke, nunggu
Nunggu.
ya. Ya, so she takes after someone to hospitals. Jadi dia mengantar seseorang
Take
ke
care
Oh,
rumah
someone, Miss.
sakit ya. Jadi ketika saya mengatakan misal
oh,
Miss Ikaf is hospitalized, bukan berarti saya ada di rumah sakit, tapi saya dirawat, hospitalized.
oh.
Okay, yeah, it's a bit different. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, let me hear about it later on. All right. Oh, very good. Yeah, I already hear the news from all of you. Now let's move to the practice session, Bapak Ibu. But before jumping to the practice session, let me show you something. This is the announcement that I think you all need to understand. Okay, wait a second. Let me share screen. Okay, because earlier I'm asking you to create a transcript, right? Nah, the transcript you need to read it in your video. Jadi transkrip yang Bapak Ibu sudah buat itu nanti arahnya adalah dibaca, akan lebih berguna, akan lebih baik nilainya kalau Bapak Ibu bisa menghafalkan itu. Gitu ya, dan tahu artinya. Nah, itu nanti akan diimplementasikan di dalam sebuah video, which will be your first project this semester. Oke, jadi ini adalah project pertama Bapak Ibu. Let me share screen the announcement. One second. Oke, can you see this one?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, yeah. As I told you earlier, that this project is individual project. Ini adalah tugas individu. Jadi Bapak Ibu bisa membuat videonya satu-satu ya, per orang satu. Kemudian saya akan memberikan linknya dan Bapak Ibu harus mensubmit di sana. And you have 1 week to make the video. Oke, jadi cuma 1 minggu Bapak Ibu untuk membuat video. Karena tugasnya dalam bentuk video, maka saya kira tidak terlalu kesulitan, gitu ya. Jadi satu satu minggu sangat cukup untuk membuat video. Nah, di videonya Bapak Ibu tinggal menyampaikan skrip yang sudah dibuat. Nanti akan saya berikan komentar kira-kira skripnya kurang apa, ya. Is there something that you can improve from your script, or is that enough? Is that good already? I will give the comments after you reading the script. Oke, nanti ini akan saya jelaskan lebih lanjut setelah Bapak Ibu praktis satu-satu. Oke. Now I will open the spinning wheel ya. Or is there any volunteer to start? Apakah ada relawan yang mau memulai praktis?
Miss, can I ask you something before we
Yes,
try
please.
to read our text?
Yes.
The first one, I little confused doing when I doing this work. At the first that make me confused is the goals from this text itu we must to apply beasiswa.
Betul.
We must to apply beasiswa or only we just sharing our experiences.
Apply for a scholarship. Tujuan dari videonya adalah mendaftar beasiswa. Jadi, anggaplah video yang akan Bapak Ibu buat itu adalah video keperluan mendaftar beasiswa. Ya, that's the main point. That's the main purpose. Nah, Bapak Ibu, apakah di skripnya sudah mencantumkan beasiswa apa yang akan di-apply?
Sudah.
Sudah. Kalau ada yang belum,
Okay.
silahkan dicantumkan. May I know the name of the scholarship that you are applying?
Erasmus Mundus, Mr.
Erasmus,
Mr.
oke.
Mundus.
Erasmus
Mr.
Mundus, ada
But
lagi?
I'm confused.
Hello.
What
Oke.
kind of scholarship that is with me?
Ya, that's fine ya. Yang penting tahu jenis-jenisnya aja atau namanya aja, oke? Karena ini kan kita nggak mau yang daftar real gitu ya, teman-teman. Yang penting teman-teman tahu ada apa aja sih beasiswa di luar sana, gitu. Oke, ada apa Pak Nurul Hasan? How about you? What scholarship
Eh,
that you choose?
Saya bukan mencari beasiswa, tapi sudah dapat beasiswa Katam. Karena Katam bukan bagian dari beasiswa. Apa boleh gitu?
Harus mencari beasiswa, Bapak ya, harus mencari beasiswa. Jadi, kalau misal di skripnya belum ada, silahkan cari gitu ya. Karena ada banyak sekali sebenarnya Bapak Ibu ya, ada LPDP, ada beasiswa unggulan, ada beasiswa. Sebentar, coba saya kirimkan video ya Bapak Ibu di grupnya Bapak Ibu, nanti silakan dilihat. Itu Bapak Ibu bisa memilih salah satu dari itu. Atau kalau Bapak Ibu ada opsi beasiswa lainnya, itu silahkan. Sebentar.
Some of us kan the age kan is more Miss. How? I tell you that
Untuk tahun ini tuh
some
banyak yang buka, Bu Ama.
Gimana?
Iya,
Gimana?
untuk yang tahun ini tuh banyak yang buka beasiswa tanpa melihat usia dan tanpa
Oh,
melihat apa itu level bahasa Inggris kita.
Ya,
Contohnya
oke,
itu di daerah
Bapak Ibu.
wow.
Jadi kan ada kayak beasiswa untuk pekerja juga, gitu kan?
Mm-mm.
Nah, itu silahkan. Ini bukan untuk apply beasiswa asli, Bapak Ibu ya. Ini hanya keperluan kelas kita aja, gitu. Jadi kita menggunakan momen mendaftar beasiswa untuk menggunakan bahasa Inggris, gitu. Jadi kalau misal Miss, apakah ini saya salah pilih beasiswa ya? Tidak apa-apa. Yang penting at least Bapak Ibu tahu ada apa aja dan Bapak Ibu mau apply yang mana dulu, gitu. Jadi nggak perlu yang so complicated seperti yang di video Bapak Ibu ya, karena fokusnya di sini bukan ke apa ya, bukan ke isinya, tapi ke penggunaan bahasa Inggrisnya gitu. Jadi itu adalah tujuan dari videonya. Oke. Itu aja dulu Bapak Ibu ya. Let's jump to the practice session because we have a very limited time to practice. Okay, is there any volunteer to start? You can raise your hand.
Monggo Pak Zardan. Silahkan dimulai Pak Zardan atau kalau Bu Nadila belum bisa, Bu Dewi mungkin.
Terakhir
Monggo.
aja, Bu.
Jenengan Bu, kita
Semuanya.
tinggal mengikuti.
Oke.
Oke, is it Bu Wahyu ya? Oke.
Iya.
Sebentar Bu Wahyu, let me open your file and let me share screen ya. Oke, wait a second. This one. Let me share screen. Oh, this one. Okay. Let me give you a disclaimer that during the practice, I want everyone to turn off your mic first. Okay. So the presenter untuk student yang sedang praktis tidak terdistraksi. Jadi Bapak Ibu bisa mematikan mic-nya terlebih dahulu ya. Jadi nanti untuk yang praktis bisa fokus gitu. Oke. Nah, Bu Wahyu, meskipun ini adalah sesi praktis, I want you to give your best. You can use hand gesture, facial expression ya sambil jangan terlalu kaku tapi juga usahakan seramah mungkin. Ya, meskipun ini applying beasiswa, maka facial expression-nya kan tetap harus ramah. Jadi jangan yang kayak terlihat menderita karena biar saya dapat beasiswa kan enggak gitu ya. Jadi ya harus
I'll
tetap
try.
profesional. Oke, are you
I'll
ready, Bu
try.
Wahyu?
Sebentar.
Ya, anggap aja Ibu lagi take video dan tidak ada orang di sini gitu ya. Oke,
Masalahnya
just
suami saya di rumah ini pasti mengganggu.
oh ya, mungkin suaminya bisa disingkirkan terlebih
Kondisikan,
dahulu.
disingkirkan dulu. Dikondisikan.
Iya, dikondisikan ya. Maksudnya kalau disingkirkan nggak
Oke.
balik lagi nanti Ibu ya.
Oke.
Oke,
I'll
are you
try.
ready?
I'll try.
Alright,
Okay.
right. Okay, time is yours. You can start.
Hello, my name is Wahibusini Andreni. I'm 34 years old and I come from Malang, East Java, Indonesia. Today, I would like to share my background experience and aspiration as part of my application for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. Currently, I'm a fourth semester undergraduate student majoring in Islamic Family Law at Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang. First of all, I would like to share my academic background. Due to an acceleration program, I completed primary and junior high school early and entered senior high school at the age of 11. I then pursued multiple degrees in psychology, mathematics, accounting, and economics, and have completed my master's degree in mathematics this year. With a strong foundation in psychology, mathematics, economics, and management, I recognize a critical gap: the intersection of Islamic legal frameworks and modern family welfare system. I believe that Islamic family law is the missing piece that allows me to contribute meaningfully to family-related policy, legal aid, and community development, particularly within Muslim communities in Indonesia. My multidisciplinary background gives me a broad perspective that enriches my understanding of family law from social, economic, and behavioral dimensions. My second point: throughout my academic and professional journey, I have gained significant experience in both leadership and education. In terms of organizational leadership, I have served as the chairwoman of Nasyiatul Aisyah, Singosari, Malang Regency since 2023, 2023, and as the chairwoman of the Majelis Qadar Aisyah Singosari since 2022. I'm also an active member of the Muhammadiyah organization. In terms of academic achievement, I won Olympiad competition in both mathematics and accounting. I have also regularly delivered workshops on topics related to my fields of study. In addition to that, I'm currently working as a private tutor, a special Islamic education teacher at SMP Muhammadiyah 4 Singosari, a stock trader, an accountant, and an online business owner. This experience has sharpened my discipline, leadership, and analytical skills. My third point: looking ahead, I plan to apply for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship to pursue a master's degree in law with a multiple degree programs in Finland. I chose this program because Finland is globally recognized for its excellent legal education system and its strong commitment to human rights and social justice, values that deeply align with the principle of Islamic family law. Through this program, I to gain an international legal perspective, particularly in areas of family law, child protection, and women's rights. Upon completing my studies, I intend to contribute to development of Islamic family law in Indonesia by advocating for stronger legal protection for families, especially women and children. I also plan to collaborate with educational institutions and Islamic organizations such as Aisyah and Muhammadiyah to promote legal literacy within Muslim communities across Indonesia. Furthermore, I aspire to conduct research that bridges Islamic jurisprudence and international human rights law, contributing to a more just and equitable legal framework for Indonesian families. Before I end, I would like to sincerely thanks to Erasmus Mundus Selection Committee and the European Commission for providing this remarkable opportunity. I'm truly passionate about this program, and I'm confident that my diverse academic background, leadership experience, and strong commitment to Islamic family law will allow me to make meaningful contribution both during my studies and upon returning to Indonesia. I hope to be part of the Erasmus Mundus family. Thank you very much.
Yeah, very good. Okay, I really love your script ya. But you know that the longer the script, yeah, it means that the more possibilities for you to make mistake. Okay, so if I provide some mispronunciation that I think quite a lot, please accept this as areas for improvement. Okay, yeah. From your script, actually, the content is really complete. It's almost perfect. Yeah, I do not have further comment about your script. But let me ask you, are you capable to memorize this in your video?
Insya Allah.
Insya Allah ya.
Insya Allah, yes.
Ya, sebenarnya kalau dari segi panjangnya skrip, saya tidak ada ketentuan Bapak Ibu. Yang penting dari saya ada identitas, ada kan? Kemudian ada scholarship-nya, alasannya, experience-nya, ya. Kemudian background-nya Bapak Ibu, kemudian goals-nya Bapak Ibu, dan conclusion. Itu yang saya cek gitu. Jadi kalau seberapa panjangnya, it actually doesn't matter for me. Ya, untuk Bapak Ibu yang lain barangkali langsung, waduh ini kok banyak banget, gimana punya saya sedikit ya gitu. Jadi ini disclaimer aja Bapak Ibu ya. Kalau yang seperti ini sangat boleh, tapi saya kembalikan Bapak Ibu bisa apa tidak ketika take video untuk apa ya, speak sebanyak ini gitu. Kalau misal kurang mampu bisa di adjust sesuai dengan kemampuan Bapak Ibu. Saya tidak memaksa gitu ya. Tapi kalau misal Bu Wahyu sudah willingly declare that you are capable ya, tapi seharusnya capable sih Bu ya. Oke. Actually, I have some comments to you. Okay, I think it's really you have a really good intonation, Ibu. Dari segi pausingnya semuanya sudah sangat pas sekali. Mungkin untuk area yang bisa diimprove adalah di bagian hand gesture. Saya tidak tahu apakah ini hanya karena dari kameranya Ibu kurang ke bawah apa
Iya,
bagaimana.
kurang ke bawah. Tangan saya banyak gerak.
Nah, I cannot see your hand gesture at all. Jadi nanti ketika take video mungkin bisa diperhatikan lagi untuk frame-nya apakah sudah sesuai dengan yang Bapak Ibu inginkan atau ternyata kepotong gitu ya. Jadi saya tidak bisa melihat padahal hand gesture itu juga masuk ke dalam penilaian. Oke, eye contact tadi juga sudah bagus. Ibu juga facial expressionnya juga smile, jadi nggak terlalu yang tegang kayak oke, my name is Wahyu, kayak ditodong gitu ya, nggak ya. Actually, you're really calm, ya. You're really relaxed, which is a very good point for you. But there are some mispronunciation that I think is quite a lot. Okay. And I think you have one habit that I don't think this is a very good habit. Ibu punya kebiasaan untuk repetition. Do you know repetition?
Yes.
Mengulang. Jadi ketika ada beberapa kata yang ibu tidak yakin, ibu ulang gitu untuk meyakinkan diri sendiri. Padahal harusnya selama
Mhm.
kata itu tidak salah artinya, dibiarkan aja gitu.
Mhm.
Fokus ke yang lainnya gitu kan.
Oh.
Karena repetitionnya tadi terlalu banyak menandakan ibu tipikal yang perfeksionis.
Oh
Jadi
iya
nggak mau.
sangat.
Nah, karena itu Ibu ya, mungkin di sini karena skripnya lumayan panjang, mungkin bisa apa ya, coba diabaikan aja. Kalau misal membuat kesalahan, selama itu tidak terlalu signifikan, bisa ya udah gitu. Kayak
Hmm.
misal di sini application, Ibu misal bacanya application gitu ya. Ya udah gitu, gak usah yang application lagi, diulang lagi. Karena itu kayak per dua kalimat Ibu pasti mengulang gitu. Dan itu menurut saya terlalu banyak frekuensi pengulangannya. Mungkin nanti bisa ketika praktis bisa didengarkan dan coba dicek apakah ibu memang mengulang sebanyak itu di beberapa kata. Oke? And then untuk ini ada beberapa yang sebenarnya dia tidak sampai mengubah arti, tapi alangkah lebih baiknya kalau diperbaiki juga. How do you read this one?
Experience.
Experiences dibaca S-nya.
Experiences. Okay,
Oke.
experiences.
Iya, karena kata experience dia muncul lebih dari satu kali dan semuanya kurang tepat. Oke, jadi
Experiences. Okay.
experiences. Oke. Kemudian ini
Universitas.
universitas. Tadi bacanya universitas, gitu ya.
Oh,
Jadi be
oh ya.
consistent. Kalau
Ah,
misal mau membaca yang versi bahasa Indonesia, maka ya Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang. Kalau mau yang
ah.
versi bahasa Inggris, maka ya Malang Private University. Gitu.
Oh ya.
Jadi jangan setengah-setengah kayak
Mhm.
Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang. Itu setengah-setengah antara bahasa Inggris dan bahasa
Mhm.
Indonesia.
Terkadang
Oke.
saya kebaliknya antara itu. Oh,
Iya.
mungkin Anju and W.
Oke.
Dah.
And then this one. How do you read this one?
Psikologi.
Oke, psychology.
Psychology. Okay.
Oke, very good. Next, this one. Gimana tadi?
Polisi. Ya, polis ya. Polis.
Policy.
Policy. Okay.
Okay,
Policy.
policy. Very good, very good. Oh, you're really good at following me, yeah? Very good. It's not that hard for you to revise. Okay, and then this one mana tadi ya? Pencapaian. What is pencapaian, Ibu?
Pencapaian sebentar tadi di
Ah,
mana ya?
this one.
Oh,
Ini, what is this?
achievement. Achievement.
Achievement using
Achievement.
C.
Oh, achievement.
Ya,
Ya,
achievement.
oke,
Oke.
achievement.
Ya, ini bisa dicatat ya, Bu ya, untuk yang salah-salah. Oh, ini kan
Mhm.
direkam ya, nanti
Rekam.
bisa dilihat
Mhm.
lagi ya. Oke. And then mana tadi? Related. Bacanya related. Ah, this one.
Related.
Related. Kemudian ini, nah ini kurang natural. Jadi in addition to that itu kurang natural. Naturalnya adalah in
Mhm.
addition itu aja.
Oh, nggak
Kalau
pakai
in
tidak.
addition to that, that's very
Mhm.
Indonesian style.
Mhm. Mhm.
Oke, jadi bisa dihilangkan. In addition aja. Oke,
Mhm.
nggak
Mhm.
perlu to that.
Mhm.
And then, mana tadi? Ah, this one. How do you read this?
Multiple.
Multiple. Jadi A, bukan
Multiple.
U.
Oh,
Oke,
multiple.
very good. Haha. And then, okay, I'm so sorry ya. I really
Mhm.
have a very
Oh,
long
nggak
note
apa-apa.
here.
Nggak
Oh ya
apa-apa.
ya. And then this one.
Women's strike.
Oke, woman itu satu. Kalau di sini banyak, maka dia women's.
Women's. Oh, women.
Women's.
Oh,
Women's.
women's rights.
Oke, women's.
Women's.
Ah, very good. So it's not woman. Woman itu satu. Kalau banyak dia
Uh,
women's.
women.
Nah,
Women's. Okay.
women.
Women.
Iya, pakai E
Women.
semua. Oke. Bukan women. Dia nggak pakai dia pakai E semua. Women's.
Women.
Haha, women's right. Karena ada S-nya ya. Oke. Kemudian, ini sebenarnya bukan salah, tapi ibu kurang stabil. Kurang kurang konsisten maksud saya ya. Di beberapa kata benar, di beberapa kata salah gitu. Dengan kata yang sama. Coba, ini
Yeah.
gimana bacanya?
Law.
Nah, betul. Tadi ada beberapa kesempatan bacanya low, ya.
Uh-uh.
Oke, jadi kurang konsisten
Sering
aja sih.
kepleset itu bisa.
Kurang kepleset. Oke, ya, saya paham. Kemudian the last one adalah mana tadi ya? Uh, this one.
Oh, upon.
Oke, very good. Tadi entah kenapa dia masuk di list saya, yang berarti tadi ibu salah. Tapi saya
Iya.
hanya mengecek, berarti tadi ya kepleset gitu ya, atau tidak sadar bahwa ternyata yang disampaikan itu kurang tepat. Gitu ya.
Mm.
Oke,
Mm.
alright, thank you so much, Bu Wahyu. Ya,
Thank you for your feedback, Miss.
ya, let me stop share and let's move on to another student. Is there any volunteer? Can you raise your hand? Ada yang mau mencoba?
Saya
Silahkan.
hitung sampai 3 ya. 1,
Wah.
2, 3. Baiklah. Cap-cip duduk. Cap-cip. Oh, Bu Lita. Ayo, Bu Lita.
Tapi saya tidak kamera.
Nggak
Oh ya,
apa-apa.
oh, kalau off camera saya tidak bisa memberikan feedback dengan lebih full Ibu ya, karena saya tidak hanya mengecek pronunciation tapi cara Ibu membaca sambil menjelaskan gitu. Jadi ada yang bisa sambil on cam?
Oh, saya cap-cip kembang. Bu
Oke.
Ama.
Oke, coba pilih satu Bu Wahyu ya. Coba ini saya berikan kekuasaan kepada Bu Wahyu yang sudah mau menjadi volunteer. Coba pilih satu
Iya,
Ibu siapa?
Bu Ama atau
Bu
Pak
Ama.
Zadam. Oh, Bu Ama aja yang
Is it
mau
possible, Bu
berangkat
Ama?
kerja. Bu
Possible.
Ama.
Possible ya? Oke, wait a second. Let me open your script.
But I know that my script is uncompleted, Miss, because
Nah, ya karena itu kan nanti bisa komennya bisa terkait skripnya gitu. Jadi nggak cuma dari penampilannya. Oke, oke, wait a second ya, teman-teman. It's still processing. This one. Okay. Okay, let me share screen. Okay, is it visible? Can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss, I can
All
see your
right.
screen.
Yep. Okay, Bu Ama, can you try to adjust your camera position so I can see your hand gesture, your facial expression, and etc. Okay. Are you ready?
Inshallah I'm ready.
Okay. Inshallah, I'm ready. Okay. Right. You can start if you're ready.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Amarilis Khairunisa. I am 27 years old and I am originally from Malang City, East Java, Indonesia. It is truly a pleasure to have this opportunity to introduce myself and share a little about my academic journey, my experience, and my dream for the future. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor degree in Islamic family law and serving as an Al-Quran teacher at a TPQ Baitur Rahmah. I have a deep passion for Al-Quran studies and the Islamic family law. My life journey has led me to a belief to be a good person and spread kindness. Therefore, to expand my usefulness, I took the step of continuing my studies in Islamic family law. My educational journey began after graduating from senior high school. After taking various college entrance exams, Allah chose me to attend KEPQ Surabaya, or Campus Entrepreneur Penghafal Quran, a kind of boarding school where I grew closer to Allah and memorized the Quran. After 2 years of studying, I had a strong desire to learn Arabic, which led me to continue my educational after 2 years of studying, I had a strong desire to learn Arabic, which led me to continue my education at Ma'had Abdurrahman bin Auf Malang. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I was unable to complete my studies, but the good news is that I was accepted at Libya, Surabaya with a Saudi Arabian scholarship and graduated with the title Jahid Jiddan. In terms of organizational leadership, I have served as the Secretary of Dakwah Department Nashiatul Aisyah Kota Malang since 2023 and as the part of Dakwah Department Nashiatul Aisyah Kedung Kandang since 2023 and also the Secretary of Aisyah Kedung Kandang since 2026. I am also an active member of the Muhammadiyah organization. Looking ahead, my goal is to become a legal consultant or a mediator specializing in Islamic family law to help families navigate legal challenges while upholding Islamic values. I also aim to develop my tutoring center, Cahaya Kehidupan, into a more structured educational platform that integrates Al-Quran studies with character building for the younger generation. By completing my studies, I want to bridge the gap between academic legal knowledge and practical community service through my roles in Nashiatul Aisyah. In conclusion, my journey from memorizing the Al-Quran at KEPKI Surabaya to studying at Libya and now pursuing a degree in family law has always been driven by the desire to be a person who spread kindness. With my background in education, my leadership experience in Muhammadiyah organization, and my academic dedication, I am ready to take on the challenge of this program. I'm committed to using my skills to empower the community and contribute meaningfully to the field of Islamic law. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you. Wah, very good, Bu Amar ya.
Some tongue twister, Miss, because
Yeah. I can see
warming
that,
up for
yeah.
me.
Yeah, I can see that. Like, actually, that's already in my list, and then you revise it yourself, yeah, which means that actually you know the correct version. You aware that you make some mistake, and you revise it yourself. Okay. How to avoid tongue twister is to practice more. Yeah, so you can be used to some technical term or difficult words. Okay. Yeah, for Bu Amar, I really love your intonation. Yeah, you sounds like you are ready to fight for scholarship, gitu ya. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, and I love your tone. You look so, what is that? You look so confident with what you are speaking, what you are telling. Yeah, which means that that's really coming from your own experience. Yeah, which is very good. But still, let me, what is that? Let me revise something. Yeah, let me mention some areas for improvement. You need to smile more, Ibu. Yeah, you look so intimidating actually. Okay, I really love because you look professional, but you look a little bit intimidating. Okay, so please be more relaxed and smile more. Okay, ya. Jadi mungkin bisa lebih diseimbangkan aja. Jadi dengan agak senyum gitu ya. Nanti coba dilihat rekamannya, Ibu barely smile, tapi lebih ke ketawa ketika salah apalagi gitu ya. Jadi dibanding yang harusnya tersenyum, malah ketawa karena salah gitu. Jadi mungkin bisa di-adjust sih itu. And then let me show you some mispronunciation. How do you read this? Oh, sorry. Nih.
Currently.
Currently.
Okay.
Yeah, currently. And then this one.
Bachelor.
Bachelor. Bachelor.
Please repeat again, Miss. Bachelor.
Ya, oke.
Bachelor.
Kemudian, nah ini tadi sebenarnya sudah saya sampaikan di bagiannya Bu Wahyu ya, but you repeat the same mistake actually. Nah, Low, oke. Tapi entah kenapa ketika di script jadi low gitu ya. W-nya itu beneran yang W banget
Wait,
gitu. W Indonesia banget gitu ya. It should be family law. Oke. Jadi bisa dijaga agar mulutnya tetap kayak O gitu ya. Jadi jangan sampai ke W-nya. Oke. And then mana-mana tadi? Tadi di sini ada usefulness. Mana ya tadi ya? Usefulness di mana? Nah, di sini. Nah, apa ya? Ibu pakai Google Translate?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, ya karena itu terjemahannya agak literal ya. Oke, mungkin yang ini bisa diubah Ibu ya. Jadi dibanding pakai usefulness, mungkin bisa diubah menjadi to expand my knowledge. Nah, boleh. Jadi to expand my point of view, my knowledge, my comprehension, boleh. Jadi kalau untuk usefulness that's very literal gitu ya. Mungkin bisa diganti katanya. Kemudian ada salah mispronunciation di ini. Coba ini dibaca.
Exam. Exams.
Exam,
Exams.
exam.
Exam.
Agak ke sedikit exam.
Exam. Ex-
Exam.
Exams.
Oke, masih kurang ya. Kurang-kurang Ibu. Coba ada exam gitu, exam.
exam,
Nah,
exam.
Exams.
oke ya.
I will,
Oke.
I will practice it later.
Ya, kemudian ini skripnya sebenarnya saya tahu ini sangat original sekali ya, tapi mungkin bisa diubah. Kayak ini kan konteksnya formal or semi formal, tapi tiba-tiba langsung berubah ke sangat religius sekali seperti skrip khutbah gitu ya. Kayak Allah memilih saya untuk ini. Jadi kayak nadanya itu berbeda gitu, kayak switching. Jadi mungkin bisa diubah. Kira-kira bisa diganti apa?
Ah,
Langsung diubah aja langsung I gitu. Jadi fokusnya ke saya aja gitu. Jadi
okay.
I, bentar. Oh ini nggak bisa ya. Jadi mungkin bisa diubah I am capable to attend gitu. Akhirnya saya itu mampu untuk menghadiri gitu. Jadi I am capable to attend gitu ya, meskipun tidak salah ya, pasti semuanya terjadi atas takdir Allah gitu ya, tapi nadanya agak berubah gitu, yang harusnya ini akademik berubah menjadi religius gitu ya, jadi agak switching di sini dari tonnya. Kemudian ini nih, nah coba ini dibaca Ibu, can you read?
Lead.
Let.
Oh,
Iya, karena ini
the
verb 2. Karena ini verb
let.
2. Kalau verb satunya bacanya lead, tapi kalau verb 2-nya dia let.
Okay. What the difference means in the text? That it's that
Oke,
any
kalau
difference in
dari
the text?
tulisannya beda. Kalau verb satu itu Lead.
Oh ya ya, leat
Iya,
itu Miss ya.
iya. Kalau lead bacanya lead. Nah, kalau yang led ini bacanya ya led, gitu. Jadi dia satu kata yang artinya sama, tapi karena beda tulisan maka pengucapannya juga beda. Kemudian diterima mana ya? Diterima ya. Accepted pokoknya. Mana ya, teman-teman? It's really hard.
I was accepted. I was
Nah,
accepted.
coba. Mana? Nah, this one, this one. Nah, bacanya gimana tadi, Ibu? Coba.
Accepted.
Iya, accepted. Ya, accepted. Kemudian ini tidak salah, apa ya, salah pronunciation yang tidak sampai salah arti, tapi tetap butuh diperbaiki.
Legal.
Iya, betul. Tadi bacanya legal gitu aja ya. It's
But
really Indonesian.
I'm more confused, Miss.
Oke, kalau ini
Develop.
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 Develop. Oke, itu yang biasanya paling sering salah. Jadi mungkin bisa dicatat. Dan yang terakhir ada ini.
Challenges.
Itu sama seperti case-nya Bu Wahyu tadi, ada experiences, dibacanya experience. Padahal di skripnya itu sudah menjelaskan banyak sekali pengalaman, tapi karena ngomongnya pengalamannya jadi seolah-olah satu aja, padahal kan banyak. Ini juga sama, challenges ya dibaca. Oke, itu aja Bu Amar. Thank you so much ya for trying and
Miss,
hope that you can perform the
mohon
best
maaf
for the
bisa
next.
yang di atas tadi, Miss. Sebentar.
Oh ya.
Di
Oke,
atas
yang
sebentar,
mana?
di atas sebentar. Terus. Introduction.
Mhm.
Yang ini saya mau nanya sebentar. Yang tadi mana ya? Ya, truly. Ini loh, Miss. Pleasure or pleasure?
Pleasure. Dua-duanya salah.
Ple-
Jadi pleasure.
Oh, pleasure. Oke.
Pleasure. Hah? Oke, really good. Tapi karena opsi yang ditawarkan Bu Wahyu tadi sebenarnya juga disebutkan oleh Bu Amar, tapi tidak saya perbaiki karena tidak terlalu mengubah arti ya. Tapi
Mhm.
memang dia agak susah memang. Itu sama seperti harta. Harta itu apa? Treasure. Treasure.
Pleasure.
Treasure.
Pleasure.
Jadi pakai nya itu loh agak susah
Pleasure.
karena dia hurufnya nggak ada. Kalau di Arab ada nggak ya di bahasa Arab? Jah, ada nggak?
Baik,
Nggak ada kan?
baik,
Nggak ada.
baik, Miss.
Zah.
Nggak ada, iya. Jadi kenapa tidak saya terangkan?
Hmm.
Karena agak susah karena katanya tidak ada
Ya.
di bahasa Indonesia dan di bahasa Arab juga nggak ada, gitu ya. Jadi saya mau memperbaiki agak ini. Tapi kalau Bapak Ibu bisa mengikuti, nggak apa-apa. Coba kalau tadi apa tadi? Pleasure.
Pleasure.
Really good. Biasanya orang-orang itu membuat simple seperti apa ya tadi? Apa tadi?
Pleasure.
Ibu
Pleasure.
pilihannya? Sorry.
Pleasure.
Pleasure ya, pakai Z ya.
Pleasure. Ya, pakai Z. Karena kadang kan orang nggak bisa pakai Z.
Oke,
Ya.
hello.
Halo? Halo? Your
Oh
mic
ya,
is
sorry. Yeah, my internet connection is really bad. Okay, I'm so sorry. So it's pleasure, ya teman-teman, pleasure, pleasure boleh or pleasure. Jadi dia
pleasure.
bukan z.
Z.
Biasanya lebih disimpelkan itu kalau orang-orang biasanya banyak pleasure gitu, pakai
Iya,
pakai z
pakai Z.
gitu ya.
Mm-mm.
Tapi yang benar sebenarnya menggunakan pleasure.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Okay, wait a second. Okay, I think one more student to practice, yeah. While looking at the
Mr.
time,
Faisal.
ada yang mau practice?
Mr. Faisal katanya.
Mau nyoba, Mr. Faisal?
Saya Miss.
Bulita mumpung on cam. Bulita mumpung on cam.
Mumpung anak
Oke,
saya.
oke. Boleh ya. Oke, boleh. Coba kita cek dulu ya. Kalau nanti masih ada, mungkin bisa practice more. Oke, Bulita ya. Oke. Wait a second, let me open your script.
Nanti senyumnya gini, Bulita.
Oh iya,
Kan
senyumnya
teman-teman.
gimana ya?
Gini.
Iya, that's fine. Oke. Alright, this one. Let me share screen. Okay, are you ready, Bulita, to read?
Insya
Oh, inshallah. Okay. Oh, very good. Let's start then.
Good morning, dear Scholarship Committee. My name is Lita Krismawati from Indonesia. Today, I would like to share my journey and the reason why I'm applying for the Islamic Counseling Scholarship. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in Islamic Family Law and serving as an Al-Quran teacher at a TPQ Islamic Non-Formal Education Center. I have a deep passion for Al-Quran studies and the laws governing household life. My daily interaction with students at the TPQ has given me valuable insight into how children interact with their parents at home. This experience has motivated me to deepen my knowledge of Islamic psychology, specifically regarding family dynamics. My educational journey began by completing my Al-Quran education with the Jayid Jidan predicate and memorizing 5 juz. After getting married and working as a teacher, I had to resign to focus on the birth of my first sons. During this time, I realized that I needed to improve my Islamic knowledge, structural thinking, and ability to express ideas. To increase my capacity, I decided to continue my studies in Islamic family law. This academic process also motivated me to continue my memorization, and I have now successfully completed 10 juz. Studying both the Al-Quran and family law has broadened my perspective on Islamic legal and domestic issues. Marriage also introduced me to Muhammadiyah, one of the largest Islamic organizations in the world. Through my husband's activities and my involvement in Asia, we were given the opportunity to teach Al-Quran at a TPQ managed by the organization. I consider this a significant achievement. I returned to teaching to help people in our neighborhood who previously could not read the Al-Quran. Over the past 4 years, by the grace of Allah, we have educated dozens of students. This role has taught me a lot about different parenting styles, which has further opened my eyes to the importance of family counseling. In conclusion, I'm fully committed to finishing my degree in Islamic family law while continuing to teach at the TPQ. Moving forward, I want to deepen my understanding of Islamic psychology. My goal is to contribute to society by providing free consultation for engaged couple and family facing domestic challenges. Furthermore, I dream of establishing a high quality free educational institution so that every child in my community has the opportunity to learn and read the Al-Quran. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope we can meet soon for a more in-depth discussion. Sorry, Miss, masih belajar.
That's fine. You don't need to say sorry ya. That's fine. Tidak ada kata sorry dalam belajar, teman-teman ya. Oke, kalau belajar ya udah belajar aja gitu kan. Ya. Alright, Bulita ya. Oke. Bulita, I think you know what you are speaking. That's fine. You can shorten ketika membaca, Ibu bisa memberikan Ibu tahu kapan harus berhenti gitu ya, di mana gitu, memberikan koma di dalam kalimat yang panjang itu, yang menandakan bahwa Ibu tahu apa yang sedang disampaikan. Oke, that's a positive point for you, Ibu ya, karena ketika Ibu bisa membagi kalimat yang panjang itu ke dalam beberapa kalimat yang pendek, maka itu akan lebih mudah bagi audience to understand what you are speaking. Nah, but I think you need to be more relax ya. Kalau dari intonasinya, Ibu sama ya atau setipe suaranya dengan Bu Amar tadi ya. Tipe yang apa ya, little bit intimidating gitu ya. So maybe you can be more relax ya. You can relax your voice a little bit. Mungkin bisa agak dirilekskan sedikit yang kelihatannya itu ramah gitu. Karena kalau tadi ya dari my first impression on listening to you speaking, first impressionnya adalah ini adalah tegas gitu. Jadi vibe-nya itu tegas. Nah, tegas itu sebenarnya boleh, tapi mungkin bisa diimbangi dengan ramah karena ini konteksnya adalah applying for scholarship. Ya, you need to be look humble, kind-hearted gitu. And then there are ya, oh oke
No,
ya,
miss.
ya this one. There are some mispronunciation ya. The very first one is this one. How do you read this?
Committee. Committee.
Committee, committee,
Committee.
committee, pakai i.
Committee.
Oke, very good.
Committee.
Kemudian ini adalah kesalahan yang berulang ya. Coba Ibu dibaca yang ini.
Low.
Law. Oke, jadi jangan low w ya Ibu, tapi law kayak oh kebuka gitu. Law. Islamic family law.
Low is low.
Low itu masih ada u-nya sedikit di belakang. Nah, ini nggak ada u-nya sama sekali. Dia o. Law.
Low.
Oke, very good. Jadi kalau bacanya masih ada W-nya itu pasti mengarahnya ke U nanti, ya. Jadi harusnya di belakangnya itu adalah O, agak kebuka gitu ya, law. Kemudian ada sebentar ini nih. Nah, what is it?
Inside.
Oke, betul ya. Tadi entah kenapa dia masuk ke dalam list saya ya, berarti tadi Ibu salah. Oke. And then this one?
Experience.
Oh, no, this one.
Specifically.
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 Oke, jadi kalinya nggak dibaca. Jadi langsung specifically. Specifically, coba.
Specifically.
Oke, very good. And this one?
Dynamics.
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 Oke, very good. And then this one?
Began.
Oke, began.
Began.
Oke, next ada ini.
Sun.
Oke, San. Tadi bacanya son ya. Oke. And then
Saya
this one?
panas dingin.
Oh, panas dingin kenapa? Kan teman-temannya sendiri ya. Oke, how about this one?
Realize it.
Oke, itu tidak
Realize it.
dibaca. Ed-nya nggak dibaca, jadi langsung realized.
Realized.
Oke, very
Realized.
good. Oke, and then this one, mana tadi? This one.
Structural.
Structural. Yeah, structural.
Structural.
Oke, very good. And then mana ya, Bapak Ibu? Memperluas mana ya tadi ya? Okay, wait a second, let me find. I couldn't find here. I'm sorry. This one.
Nah, ini susah,
Hah?
Miss. Saya belum bisa.
Coba, menurut Ibu apa ini? Menurut Ibu tadi?
Broad itu jalan ya?
No, road jalan. Kalau broad itu luas. Jadi broaden artinya memperluas perspektif.
Broadened.
Ya, broadened. Very good.
Broad-
Oke, very good. Kemudian ada ini.
Legal.
Oke, tadi bacanya legal juga ya. Oke. Ya, harusnya legal. Kalau ini?
Through.
Through. GH-nya nggak dibaca. Through.
Through.
Oke, good. Jadi GH-nya nggak dibaca ya. Langsung through aja. Kemudian, this one.
Neighborhood.
Oke,
Neighborhood.
GH-nya nggak dibaca lagi?
Neighbor. Neighbor.
Neighborhood.
Oh, neighborhood.
Oke, jadi Ibu terbiasa membaca yang GH-GH ini kan ya. Nah, ini nggak dibaca
Iya.
Ibu. Kalau ada GH-GH nggak dibaca langsung neighborhood. Ini juga through gitu ya. Jadi bukan through atau neck gitu. Jadi kalau ada GH nggak dibaca. Sama seperti tinggi. What does it mean tinggi?
Hi.
Bahasa Inggrisnya tinggi. Nah, high. Jadi bukan hike gitu ya, tapi
Oh,
high.
hi.
Jadi GH itu
Hi.
tidak dibaca.
Miss,
Kemudian ini
apa bedanya TRUE? Bacanya true juga gitu.
TRU.
Eh, E. TRUE.
Oh,
True.
true itu true ya, true. Oke, kalau ini
Dozen.
dozens.
Dozens.
Iya,
Dozens.
dozens artinya adalah lusinan ya.
Dozens.
Oke, kemudian ini sangat umum sekali ya. Ini kesalahan yang lumayan banyak dilakukan oleh banyak pemula biasanya. What is it?
Different.
Different, 3 kan? Harusnya itu 2, Bu. Different.
Different. Different.
Oke, betul, different. Jadi bukan different ya, tapi different. 2.
Different.
Oke? Ya, 2 syllables ya, 2 suku kata. Kemudian this one.
Open it.
Nggak dibaca. Opened.
Open. Opened.
Ya, opened. Sama seperti tadi, realized, believed,
Realized.
gitu ya.
Open.
Oke, kalau ini
Importance.
oke, very good, sudah bagus. Kemudian tadi moving on. Nah, this one.
Moving forward.
Oke. Ya, nah kenapa ini masuk? Sebenarnya ini bukan pronunciation-nya sih yang salah ya, tapi di sini eh setelah ini titik, nah moving forward itu kan tambahan, berarti kan harusnya di sini dia turun nadanya, gitu.
Oh.
Tapi tadi ibu naik kayak seolah-olah masih ada kalimat lagi, gitu. Kayak misal tadi kalau nggak salah ibu tuh bacanya while continuing to teach at the TPQ. Kenapa? Gitu. Jadi kayak masih ada lanjutannya. Harusnya kan while continuing to teach at the TPQ, turun nadanya. Baru moving forward, naik. I want to deepen my understanding of Islamic psychology. Gitu. Jadi biasanya kalau di akhir kalimat itu nadanya turun. Oke, tapi tadi nadanya ibu tadi naik. Jadi kayak seolah-olah ini bukan akhir dari kalimat. Gitu. Kemudian ada ini nih.
Society.
Society. Society.
Society.
Oke, artinya apa society?
Sos
Masyarakat. Masyarakat. Kalau sosial, social. Bahasa Inggrisnya. Kalau society artinya bukan sosial, tapi masyarakat. Ya, oke. Kemudian ini coba hati-hati di bagian ed-nya nggak dibaca juga.
Engage. Engage.
Engage.
Engage.
Oke, very good. Engage ya. Jadi bukan pakai J, bukan engage, tapi yang satu G, yang satu
J.
engage, J gitu ya. Jadi memang namanya bahasa Inggris ya Bapak Ibu ya, memang tidak beraturan ya. Jadi ini sama-sama G, tapi yang satu dibaca G, yang satu dibaca J gitu. Jadi that's why you are confused and that's actually normal ya. Ini tadi engage.
Engage.
Oke, ini
Furthermore.
bukan furthermore, but furthermore.
Furthermore.
Oke. Kemudian satu lagi ini
Soon.
oke, soon. Dan ini
In depth.
in depth. In depth.
In depth.
Oke, very
Jadi
good.
ya Miss, bukan P.
Kenapa? Bukan P, bukan
Jadi
P, bukan in depth, bukan. Jadi F dan in depth kayak apa ya? TH gitu, in
In
depth.
depth. In
in
depth.
depth.
Ya, pakai F ya, Bapak Ibu. Yeah, that's really hard actually. Yeah, I know. That's why you make the script that is too hard. Yeah, so that's your responsibility to to read this one. Okay. Oke, Bapak Ibu, mungkin karena kita sudah lewat ya, lebih lewat 7 menit, itu saja dulu. Semoga Bapak Ibu yang lain bisa belajar dari skripnya temannya. Nah, untuk skrip beberapa orang saya cek dan masih terlalu pendek. Sebenarnya bukan masalah pendeknya. Kalau pendek sih nggak apa-apa. Pendek tapi memuat semua konten yang harusnya ada itu nggak apa-apa. Tapi ada yang pendek dan kurang isinya, Bapak Ibu ya. Ada yang tidak menyebutkan experience, ada yang tujuannya itu belum disampaikan, gitu itu ada. Jadi bisa dilengkapi dulu untuk Bapak Ibu yang merasa skripnya kurang. Oke? Jadi ada apa aja tadi Bapak Ibu yang harus dimasukkan? Yang pertama adalah
Kenalan.
identity. Oke, very good. Perkenalan ya, identitas nama, jurusan apa sekarang, umur berapa. Karena di beberapa beasiswa itu ada batasan umur. Oke, so you can mention your identity. Yang kedua,
Latar belakang akademik.
latar belakang akademik. Boleh latar belakang sebelum Bapak Ibu apply S1 yang sekarang, gitu ya. Oke, selain itu,
Highlight by profesional.
Isi
Eh,
atau
oh,
tujuannya.
isi atau tujuan, oke. Scholarship dulu Bapak Ibu ya. Scholarship, Bapak Ibu mau apply scholarship apa? Jadi scholarshipnya jangan
Malah
ditaruh di paling bawah, ditaruh di paling atas ya. Bahwa video ini dibuat untuk applying LPDP scholarship, for example ya. Dan alasan kenapa Bapak Ibu apply beasiswa ini. Oke, kemudian next yang lain ada
conclusion.
pencapaian, what is pencapaian?
Achievement.
Achievement pencapaian Bapak Ibu. Sama seperti highlight tadi yang Pak Nurul Hasan sampaikan ya. Highlight or achievement. Jadi apa sih yang sudah Bapak Ibu raih selama ini? Jadi Bapak Ibu lebih baik dibandingkan kandidat yang lain gitu. Nah, tapi silakan masukkan yang relevan. Jangan misal oh dulu saya pernah juara 1 lomba makan kerupuk Ibu gitu ya 17 Agustus. Itu achievement tapi tidak relevan. Jadi pilih achievement yang relevan dengan jurusan Bapak Ibu gitu. Oke, itu aja dari saya dan mohon untuk dibuat videonya maksimum next week. Jadi kita kan hari hari apa ya ini Bapak Ibu?
Hari
Wednesday.
Rabu.
Hari
Wednesday.
Wednesday, jadi deadline-nya adalah di hari Selasa kalau one week ya.
Itu
Oke.
untuk pengambilan videonya, bisakah kami menggunakan Zoom atau
Boleh.
Zoom ya?
Boleh ya. Kalau Zoom kan biasanya lebih enak gitu ya. Oke. Boleh Bapak Ibu, saya tidak mengharuskan Bapak Ibu untuk video yang editing seperti apa itu tidak usah nggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau mau diedit, misal dikasih subtitle, sekarang kan kalau editing video bisa ada auto captionnya gitu ya. Sebenarnya di Zoom juga ada auto captionnya Bapak Ibu gitu. Jadi barangkali ada videonya Bapak Ibu yang audionya kurang jelas, saya bisa cross check menggunakan subtitlenya di situ gitu. Itu aja.
Transkrip itu. Nanti
Iya.
transkripnya dinyalakan saja Bapak Ibu.
Nah, betul. Ada yang namanya live transcript gitu ya. Oke. Ada pertanyaan lagi Bapak Ibu or do you think this is fine? This is enough?
This
Saya
is
nih,
enough. Oh,
sekali
Allah
sambil baca
benar.
boleh kan?
Oke,
Nggak full.
oke, sambil baca gimana, Miss? Ya, itu adalah
Ya, sekali.
kelebihan penugasan dalam video, Bapak Ibu. Kalau penugasan dalam video, Bapak Ibu masih memungkinkan untuk membaca sedikit-sedikit. Tapi saran saya adalah kalau Bapak Ibu bisa memaksimalkan menghafalkan lebih banyak part, pasti akan lebih baik karena Bapak Ibu bisa lebih pay attention tidak hanya ke skripnya tapi ke penampilan Bapak Ibu. Coba nanti Bapak Ibu lihat recording ini. Hari ini kan Bapak Ibu full baca tuh. Nah, pasti Bapak Ibu akan apa ya, tidak terlalu pay attention pada bagaimana Bapak Ibu berpenampilan, kemudian gerakan tangannya kan tidak kelihatan karena Bapak Ibu fokus membaca gitu ya. Tapi kalau Bapak Ibu berusaha untuk menghafalkan, mengetahui apa yang harus disampaikan, pasti nanti ada gitu. Jadi lebih komunikatif jatuhnya gitu. Jadi ketika saya mewajibkan, sebenarnya kalau bisa kalau bisa tidak baca transkrip itu adalah agar performa Bapak Ibu lebih baik, agar lebih apa ya, Bapak Ibu bisa lebih effort lagi ketika menggunakan hand gesture-nya lebih keluar, eye contact-nya lebih keluar gitu. Begitu Bapak Ibu ya. Oke,
Ya.
oh, actually I'm really anticipating for your video ya. Saya mau melihat video semuanya karena biasanya kalau di Zoom yang tampil lah ya cuma ada Bu Wahyu ya, ada Bu Amar biasanya. Nah, saya juga mau lihat gimana sih Pak Nuruli Hasan nih kalau present full gitu ya. Pak Faisal juga gimana kalau full presentation gitu. Oh my God, I'm
Kalau
really
misalnya untuk
anticipating.
yang diedit itu kan biasanya saya sering memasukkan editing di tugas-tugas bahasa Inggris saya sebelumnya itu ada saya potong-potong untuk editing boleh.
Boleh, boleh.
Gitu.
Mahasiswa saya ada yang bertanya juga, karena mungkin yang editing skillnya lumayan bisa. Miss, kalau mahasiswa biasanya kan banyak intriknya ya Bapak Ibu ya. Miss, kalau saya pakai auto teleprom gitu ya, misal kan transkripnya langsung keluar Miss gitu. Jadi saya nggak perlu lihat ke sini dan nggak kelihatan. Iyalah terserah kalian. Yang penting bagaimana caranya agar penampilannya itu bagus gitu. Atau editingnya misal ada yang Miss saya itu mau ngafalkan satu paragraf atau dua kalimat. Dua kalimat saya ngafalin, terus nanti saya cut. Dua kalimat lagi saya ngafalkan lagi, terus di cut. Jadi kelihatannya itu menghafal full gitu ya. Nah, itu juga tidak apa-apa. Jadi yang penting nanti saya hanya mau melihat hasil akhir videonya Bapak Ibu seperti apa. Good luck for your first project Bapak Ibu. Ya, if you have any question, do not hesitate do not hesitate to ask in the WhatsApp group ya. Kalau ada pertanyaan, langsung aja tanya di grup, jangan via Bu Wahyu ya. Semuanya sepertinya Bu Wahyu ya yang mengirimkan tugasnya. Saya agak kaget ya karena oke, wow, kelas ini lumayan sangat apa ya, sangat bersatu gitu loh, tapi ya lumayan agak saya tidak terbiasa gitu Bapak Ibu ya. Oke, ada pertanyaan? Or is that enough?
Nah,
Is that enough,
Aman
Miss?
ya. Oke.
Mohon
Let
izin aja nanti,
Mhm.
mohon izin nanti mungkin ada beberapa Bapak Ibu yang biasanya kesulitan untuk mengupload tugas. Biasanya itu
Oh ya, ya.
device-nya kurang mendukung atau tidak mengerti caranya. Mungkin
Ya,
nanti
ya.
saya
Oke,
bantu.
oke. Oke. Dan Bapak Ibu untuk trip ya, masih ingat perjalanan Bapak Ibu ya. Tips, tips dari saya, dibanding Bapak Ibu takut ketika presentasi, takut salah dan lain-lain, mending ketika praktis, Bapak Ibu bisa mengcopy paste scriptnya Bapak Ibu ke Google Translate. Nah, di Google Translate ada fitur untuk dibacakan, minta tolong Google Translate untuk dibacakan. Gitu. Nah, nanti Bapak Ibu bisa sambil mendengarkan dan ditiru gitu. Jadi dibanding Bapak Ibu mengira-ngira, kemudian tidak yakin sendiri ini udah bener apa enggak ya gitu. Jadi skripnya bisa di copy paste ke Google Translate dan minta Google Translate untuk apa
Bacakan.
ya? Membacakan, very good, membacakan. Nah, nanti Bapak Ibu bisa menirukan gitu. Itu
Tapi
aja
baru
sih Bapak Ibu.
menirukan lupa lagi.
Berarti ya butuh lebih banyak praktis ya. Kalau lupa lupa itu adalah untuk yang praktisnya satu kali aja dan satu kali tidak cukup, Bapak Ageng ya. Oke, itu aja Bapak Ibu dari saya. Terima kasih banyak sudah join di kelas saya dan sehat-sehat terus ya Bapak Ibu. And I guess I will see you next week dengan materi baru yang sudah saya siapkan sebenarnya dan actually I owe you one makeup class, right? Saya masih berhutang satu makeup class untuk Bapak Ibu, tapi mohon maaf mungkin kelas penggantinya bisa di minggu depan saja Bapak Ibu ya karena hari minggu ini saya apa ya memfokuskan diri untuk recover sebenarnya saya belum terlalu sembuh ya. Jadi mohon izin mungkin untuk makeup kelasnya bisa kita lakukan di minggu depan. Ya. Oke, itu aja Bapak Ibu. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Syafakillah, Miss. Semoga lekas
Yeah,
sembuh.
thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Ya, oh, I will give you the link in the WhatsApp ya. Jadi nanti
Aha.
untuk link pengumpulannya saya share di WhatsApp. Oke?
Sure.
Okay, okay.
Ya.
Thank you.
Ya, bye everyone.
Bye.